Due to coronavirus, I went to a grocery shopping. Not much I can get at home. I have a noodles, and then I have a water spinach, or in Cambodia it's called it morning glory, or it's kangkung in Indonesia. I have teriyaki sauce, soy sauce at home. I thought, look, I make this recipe, and then actually it tastes bloody good. So here you go. Is teriyaki kangkung with noodles, and it's very easy to make. First thing first, fry the chop of onion and garlic on hot oil. Fry them until brown color. Add salt, sugar, stir thoroughly. Put in a chop of water spinach, and then stir them. And after that, you boil the water. This is an instant noodle. We cook it for probably just 2-3 minutes or so, and then rinse it the water, and then mix up with the water spinach. And then I add a teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and then mix them properly. Add water if required, and if you want, actually you can put a chili sauce, or you can add a fresh chili too if you want to, and mix them properly, and here you go. Now you have it. And actually it tastes bloody good. Sometimes I eat with rice because it's noodle, basically carbohydrate. So if you don't add rice, that's no problem. Easy, and I think it's healthy.